treat.
Laktar Richard Lesiampe ochako ayanga tije kaka jataa tije maduong' e kar thieth maduong' ma Kenyatta bang' jatend migawo mar thieth Aden Duale timo lokruok mar telo no odhiambo manyoro. Koloso e kinde rwako Laktar Lesiampe e tich, jagoro mongirore e migawo mar thieth Laktar Oumo Oluga owacho ni okang' mar loko telo e kuonde thieth ma pachoka en mar neno ni kuonde thieth ochiwo thieth makare kendo gibedo kod nyalo mar kelo dongruok mowinjore kokalo e tiyo makare kod omenda ma gichoko. Olero ni sirikal ni kod chenro mar timo lokruoge mamoko kendo neno ni yedhe kaachiel kod masinde madwarore kuonde thieth madongo oyudore maonge oharo.
Of William Samoei Ruto, the Ministry of Health, for the confidence and trust they have given to me to come back to Kenyatta National Hospital. Mine is to thank the outgoing CEO and his team for a commendable job that they have done in this big facility.
Hospitals must be sustainable. Part of the sustainability includes revenue generation. Part of the revenue generation includes how they align with the SHA benefits package, how they align their tariffs, how they digitize, and how they increase the scope and the quality of the services that they offer. And we are keen to ensure that hospitals are sustainable. But there are two other enablers of this self-sustainability and revenue. One of them is governance, and that's why the chair is here. That we have proper governance of hospitals, and we are encouraging our boards to give strategic vision that ensures that hospitals are sustainable.
My role is to support the management, to provide oversight, to also make sure that the story of this hospital is told.